Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change keyboard size on my Android. You can make your Android keyboard bigger or smaller through either the Settings app or the Keyboards option. Other phones should work similarly. Samsung devices have keyboard side controls hidden away in the Settings app. Here's how to get there. First, open the Settings app. Tap the General Management, then choose Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now, tap Size and Transparency. Then use the controls along the edges of the keyboard to adjust its size. Now, tap Done to save the new size. The only way to change the font size of the default Android keyboard on most phones that use a stock or near stock interface. Android has a font size settings but counter to what you might expect. This doesn't change the keyboard's font size. Android's magnification feature, available through the accessibility menu, also doesn't work with the default keyboard. If you activate it with the keyboard open, you can only magnify the portion of the screen where the keyboard isn't visible. There is a downside to the font size settings. It's changed the size of everything, not just the keyboard. That isn't ideal if you only want a larger keyboard. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for another videos.